This is a video regarding the Conair ice maker. I purchased it at a Xiaomi store directly. The box was really heavy, and the reason for this is because I wanted to create my own iced coffee. Uh, there was a sample product on their table, and I thought that it was fake ice, but it just shaped differently, like a small elongated ice, like oblong shaped ice. Okay. So for just to make it clear, Conair Ice is not made by Xiaomi. Xiaomi is distributing this in the Philippines. I did found the creator of this product. Later we'll get to that part. So for the unboxing, for these types of items, it's best to open the box under, and then you need to pull up the box from or upward so that the product is standing up and it's much easier. The components inside, so there's a manual only. Yeah, it's using a 3-pin outlet, so you need to use an adapter. Then it has the manual. Everything is in Chinese. Good thing I was able to find a an English manual online. It's easy to search for it. Okay, I'll just unpack this. One moment. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. So I have this English manual here again. Um, let's just take a brief introduction on this. So again, as stated here, it's manufactured by Ningbo. Seems that they change their name occasionally. So so again, on page two, safety precautions, parts of the ice maker, now in English. Then unpacking, power on, maintenance, how to use the malfunction management for troubleshooting, and the technical specs or power specs. So it's really important that you follow this because um, you need to have a 220 volts of power supply and the zero point 0.7 amperes. But the electricity rate is actually lower, which I didn't expect. 105. That's like two electric fans. Parts of the ice maker. It has the ice shovel, sensors, ice basket inside, upper cover, air outlet, drain plug, water limit. The ice shovel is this. Why is it still has a tape? And the ice basket. Okay. The air outlet, like in this image, it looks like a CPU fan of your computer tower. And under the ice maker, there's a drain plug. It's standard made of plastic. You may need to carry this near your lavatory to drain it instead of using a hose. And good thing they also labeled the buttons here because everything is in Chinese. Exactly the same in this image, the same Chinese characters, maybe Japanese. I don't know. Not sure. Okay, so those are the according to the instruction here. Press select F button to select the size. I haven't tried it yet. I'm not sure how many times, if it's small, medium, or large. Then after that, you need to open the cover, remove the basket, and add water. There is a an imprint inside showing their max with a line and an arrow pointing. Then after that, you need to press the letter E, the on and off button. That the F is the eye size. So that's really strange. You need to select the size first before you press on button. Okay. Then after that, duration of each ice making is 6 to 13 minutes depending on the size. And they say that the factor also is the temperature of the room. Okay. The staff talked to me about this. He said that I should leave it on for 30 minutes. I'm not really sure what that means now after reading this. If the ice basket is full, it will stop. There is it. Ice full, light will light up. Okay. It is recommended to change the water every 24 hours to keep the water clean. So again, you should only use drinkable water for this, not your regular tap faucet water, because bacteria can still grow inside. Do not place water in more than 24 hours. Keep it drained, but it's heavy. Okay, so those are the basic instructions and parts of the Conair ice maker. Okay, so jumping back or going to the Xiaomi page. So this is the official Xiaomi store page. As you can see, it states there 5,000 pesos. But actually, this is an older model. What they have now is the Conair Ice Cube, which is 7,000. Now, I read this earlier. The difference is that this 7,000 can make more ice. Say, as stated here, 5 sets, 24 pieces. While compared to the first model, just 9 pieces in 6 minutes. That's very long, a long wait. But the voltage and power is still the same. Both are stainless, and also the difference is the shape of the eye. So the first model is a bullet round eyes, so it's called bullet, and the other one is the standard square eyes. Okay, so if you want to purchase it directly from Xiaomi, you can just go to their store or their website. If you plan on getting it from a different seller, like other seller sites, it may cost more, and then they will charge shipping on top of that. Okay. So about the manufacturer, so I did some research as stated on the first page here. Ningbo. So Ningbo Hicon is the manufacturer. On this page, this is a seller page. Made in China is a seller page. Ningbo Hicon is selling their products in this website. Okay, so here are the list of ice makers that they produce. As you can see, it's sold at $200 or by dollars. I'm not sure if they can ship to the Philippines directly. It is really good for business if you don't want to order tube ice from trucks. You can just create your own. The only problem would be then is power consumption, and if there's a blackout, you won't be able to get one. You may need to call your ice suppliers. So if you scroll down here, you will see this model looks very much the same as the Conair. It's just black and a different name. Okay. So from what I see here, I do think that Ningbo, is it Ningbo? Ningbo did had an agreement with Xiaomi to sell it here in our country, which is a good thing, so that it can be more accessible and affordable for us. And it's also best to purchase directly with notable sellers and retailers, so that you won't have problem with warranty. Like for this one, the warranty is 1 year, but on the day of purchase, you have 7 days to return if you saw any damage. So it's best to test it in the store. I did not test this in the store, but I am confident that it works. And I don't see any physical damage. The packaging is really good. I can say it's more of a AAA and a flagship quality for kitchenware products. Okay, so that's just a short video about this. I hope you like and enjoyed. Always look for the manufacturer of your products, usually at the back, and also look for electrical specifications of your electronics, just to be safe. Okay, so that's it, and thank you for your time.